Yeah, guys, how are you doing, guys? I mean, you guys know I'm car guy, but because coronavirus, I cannot do too much. And actually, I'm fishing again. And just when I came here, my wife, she catch nice trout. I'm gonna show you guys. It's like, open. You guys see, I just clean, like around 12-inch trout. Maybe with the bigger. That's good size, And always when I catch, I clean on the lake. I clean here on the water and continue fishing. We have today luck. Like last 2 times, usually always catch here, never go back without fish. And somehow, last 2 times we was like not with good luck. And definitely now, let me just pull a little bit harder. On his wind actually a little bit affecting us, but coming back and forth. Definitely first 10 minutes we got a trout. And now continue fishing. We can take home 6 trout because 2 license, and yeah, we got the one. I just show you guys. And that's such a nice lake. Nice view around, and I just set up over there, lay down and relaxing. When you catch, at some point when you're fishing, you should relax and relax your brain, too. Anyway, guys, I just want to say, she catch the first trout, and now I always catch here from these batons, whatever how you call here them. But yeah, nothing was pulling or But anyway, let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna catch more or not. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned. Never end. Yeah, guys, laying down and we are still with 1 fish, but it's better one from nothing. Actually, that one my wife, she catch. Nice day, I just make the here like nice, relaxing, place when I can lay down and checking my pools. That's fishing. Fishing is about, relax, take break, and try catch some fish. When you have luck, when not, just keep fishing. You never know. Now here on this place, not even fish, not even was touching. But you never know. Like usually before night. A fish usually taking bait on row in the morning, but still, on the daytime too. But best time, before night sunset on row in the morning. That's the best time. But anyway, you all fishermen, you guys know what's going on or how it work. Okay, guys. Yeah, stay tuned because never end. Definitely we got just 1 fish today. We was not whole day here, but that's my wife, she tried catch 1 more. Actually she catch down, and you guys see it's night time already, the night coming. Night coming down. And today we have only 1 fish. We got luck with 1 fish. And here looks such a nice park to enjoy, even fishing overnight. I know it's against the law, but was the ducks playing the water. That's nice. Yes. Yeah, That's what we got. One fish today, and it's good. Thanks God for one fish. It's better from go home without fish. But anyway, I need to now pack my pools and get ready to go home. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for next video, because never end. Thanks for watching guys. God bless you all.